How to buy Bsop token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and this token address can add business network. Open your funds on only pro wallet for that. For example, Bitget wallet. Select the base as a network, and now click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. So this is our token that you just added. So this is it. Click on it, and here click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is now, so that is easy and simple. Click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Bsop token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.